Nika with Fashionika, and I cut off my hair. I have literally cut off 16 inches the past 2 months, and kind of was regretting this one just because I asked her to cut it like to right here, and she ended up cutting it to right there, but no big deal. I kind of like it. It's still growing on me, so I can't complain right now. Anyways, today we are doing a haul with AMIclubwear. A lot of you guys requested doing like an online haul, like shopping online and finding places that are really inexpensive and doing like a review on it. So I decided to shop at AMIclubwear. I've heard of their store all over Instagram. I've seen them on like my Facebook ads before. Ideally, I am looking for an outfit for my birthday in the daytime, just something lightweight and breathable and also just easy to wear. And it seems like I'm gonna find some things here. They have some really cute things that are totally my style, so, and they're really affordable. Like, there's a sale going on. I don't know what it's for. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I just typed in boba and this is what came up. Do I need this? I don't think I would use it. That's so cute though. Let's try avocado. Oh my god. That is so funny. I need to get this. They have so many shoes. Ooh, I think I like the white best. Ooh, I really like this too. This is a good option for my birthday outfit. Got a huge ass box of things to unload. So let's dive into this. The first item is polka dots. I immediately fell in love with this bathing suit because first off, it's summertime, it's time to start hunting for bathing suits, and I found this really cute polka dot one on, wait, that does not seem right. It's upside down. There we go. I found this really cute polka dot one on their site. It has like a little ruffle detail and it's just like very simple, and I love that it is a high waist. For some reason, just feel really comfortable wearing high waist pieces, especially when I'm in my swimsuit. So I just thought it was super cute for the summer, and personally I would style it with like necklaces and throw on a denim skirt with this little bikini top and then just kind of walk around. Ooh, even this like boater hat that I just bought at Nordstrom the other day for 10 bucks. How cute would that be? Like just strolling around the pier. Adorable. Moving on. Next item I snagged not for you guys. Sorry, I thought it was Game of Thrones for some reason. The next item that I snagged, I am obsessed with avocados. So like, yes, I am obsessed with boba, but I am just as obsessed with avocados as I am boba. And I found this avocado bikini. Just the fact that it had avocados on it, I was like, sold. Like, this is perfect, and I love the color of it. And again, I feel like I need bikinis for the summertime. I don't typically go to the beach in California, but whenever I go on vacation with my family, I always swim in the pools. So yeah, I just thought it was so cute, and again, I would style it for a cute Instagram post. Maybe eating avocado toast. That would be super cute. The next item that I got, I just realized I'm getting like a lot of bikinis. I think it's because I've just been like on the hunt bikini shopping because it's been getting really hot. It's time to sit by the pool and lounge. I'm really loving the color nude lately. Just like all nudes, just neutral colors in my wardrobe. I grabbed this nude bikini. I thought it would be so pretty with just gold jewelry, gold necklaces layered, and then just call it a day. It comes with these little like this little tie halter thing, but I don't think I would wear it like that. I think I would wear it like as a bra top, but yeah, I thought it was super cute, and I got a size small. Also, if you're not sure about sizing, I got a size small in both of these swimsuits. This one actually fits really well. This one is a little revealing, so I probably could have gone with a medium, but I'm fine with the small. The next item that I grabbed is my favorite item. It is this like little two-piece floral bright orange set. The skirt is like a little wrap. I'm gonna show you guys pictures obviously of me wearing it just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like on. These like little arm things were too small on me. I got a size small in this, but even then like they were just really tight and restricting, so I'm probably just gonna chop it off, and I'm actually gonna wear this for my birthday because my birthday is in 2 weeks. I'm so excited to rock this. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm gonna be alone, so I'm just gonna chill out, do a little treat yourself day. It's gonna be fun, and then probably have dinner with my boyfriend at night. But yeah, this is gonna be my birthday outfit. The next item that I grabbed were these shoes. Oh my god. First off, I needed like nude heels for just going out at night. I don't really wear heels that often, but I feel like it was a necessity in my closet because I don't have like any nude heels. And I just love the style of this one because look at how cute this little bow is, and it's like a taupey nude. Maybe wear it with like a nice black dress for a date night, but I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of it because the heel is like the perfect height. It's not too short, not too tall. It's around like 3.5, 4 inches. I have had shoes by this brand, Shoe Republic LA, and they were really comfortable, so hopefully these are going to be comfy for me. Next item that I got is my favorite. I've already used it a bunch, and it's funny because I just got this package like 5 days ago, and so by a bunch I've used it almost every day. I am seriously so in love with these shoes. They're so comfortable. First off, that's like what drew me to them, but I love the fact that it's a transparent heel as well as the transparent straps because it makes you look taller. So for all you petite girls like me, if you get these shoes, you will look so tall, and you can style them with literally any outfit and it goes with everything. So yeah, these are definitely going to be a staple in my closet this summer. I might even get another white one just in case like the heel breaks or I don't know, something happens to them, because I just want to ensure that I have these for a long time. They run true to size. I got a size 6.5. So yeah, we are down to the last item. The last item I grabbed was actually the first item that I saw on their site. I fell in love with it on the model, ordered it in a size small, got an email saying that it's being back ordered and they don't know when they're gonna get it back in stock. So then I emailed them back saying, can you send it in a medium, because I really loved it and really wanted it. Unfortunately, the medium was too big on me, so we're back to square one, but I'm not going to return it. I'm just going to give it away to one of you guys. It is this amazing plaid skirt set. I seriously love it so much. I'm getting really Clueless vibes from this outfit. It's just like a little bandeau top with the matching little skirt. It's so cute, but so big on me, so if you're size medium, here you go, girl. I'll send it over your way. The giveaway is literally just make sure you're subscribed to this channel and follow my Instagram. My Instagram is @exofashionica right here. And then comment down below where you would wear this outfit to, and I'll pick the winner in a week. I was gonna wear this for my birthday and I'm so sad that it didn't fit, but it's okay. It'll go to someone who will love this. That was a very short and sweet video. If you liked any of the items, I'm going to leave the link for all of them down below in the bio for you to purchase if you'd like. Be sure to enter the giveaway. If you're a size medium, it's open to you. If you're not a size medium and still want to enter, you can give it to a friend. You can try to figure out how to tailor it. You do you. Subscribe, like this video, show me some love. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!